with efforts throughout business development. Before joining Hawker Beechcraft, Michael served in the United States Air Force as a KC-135 instructor, receiver, and special operations pilot. Also, while on active duty, he acted turboprop design of the T-6 II has a cockpit arrangement similar to today's modern jet, which means that a basic pilot can go in from an introductory point, learn to become a pilot, and come quickly in the jet with a recognizable instrument panel that will be right in front of them. A very efficient turboprop design propels the aircraft, as I mentioned before, at speeds up to 316 knots. As he performs a 4-point hesitation roll, going from left to right, stopping the aircraft back to rotation. That pulls up on the 45-degree line for a reverse 1-knot T&S recovery. Back down foot through roll. Requiring use of all the control surfaces in a straight line through the air. As he rolls to the inverted, turning around now for his final pass. This will be the inverted pass as he goes by. From the reverse 1 Cuban 8, the half Cuban 8, or half of a hockey team from Havana.